Welcome to March Madness again, and this is day 6, and it is single leg or one leg stretch. Now there's two versions. We have a bent leg and we have a straight leg, so I'll do them both. We'll start with single bent leg stretch. We're coming down on our back, our spine is imprinted, our chin is on our chest. We're going to bring one knee up and into our hands. So we really want to make sure that spine's imprinted, our shoulders are relaxed. We're going to hobble one leg and we're going to swap. Pull that knee in and swap. So you're not rocking through the body. And swap. I'm going to do one more. Up. Beautiful. And then we're going to do straight leg stretch. So that's obviously with the straight leg, and we go down, 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 down. Now some people actually, they like to come down with the flex, up with the point, down with the flex, up with the point. I don't prompt that in class, but that is another version. I'm going to do one more. And that is single or one leg stretch. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.